Hello besties, this week we are doing a quick little tutorial on applying UVDTFs and I'm adding an iced coffee recipe. Iced coffee with protein. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this and also follow us on our social media handles under Misfit Makers. Check out our website and our Patreon. Okay. So I got this little acrylic tumbler at Five Below. It is definitely a little cheapy, but it fits the bill. It works perfect. It was the perfect size and exactly what I needed. So I have a bunch of UVDTFs. All these are from Swery Kim's website, swerykim.com, and I just couldn't decide, but I decided on this cute little skelly saying better late than ugly. I just needed something cute to do my afternoon iced coffee. So not like I don't have enough tumblers. So anyway, I picked this little skelly. He's super cute with the purple glasses and all the pastels. But I definitely had lots of options available as you saw there. So I'm applying the UVDTF. I peeled off the protectant sheet, sticking it on there. Then I am going to peel off the protectant layer. Okay, you got to go really slow, especially around those little skelly bones and those little stars. If you do not make sure that it's adhered well, it will peel up with you. So once you have your main decal, then you can use all your little extra little elements to fill up the rest. Of course, these UVDTFs are permanent, so no need to epoxy over your tumbler or seal it with anything, especially in this acrylic tumbler. And this is not even like a fancy double-walled acrylic tumbler. This is just a regular schmegular, okay? And even with the condensation and everything, those UVDTF stickers do not move. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the rest of my tumbler. Of course, don't forget about your lid. I'm going to do the lid as well. The only thing that you want to do before you apply UVDTFs is make sure your surface is clean. I just wiped it down with alcohol, or you can wash it or whatever you like. That's the only thing. And once you apply these UVDTFs, it is impossible to remove them and replace them on your tumbler. So keep that in mind. Look how cute and how easy that was. Now let's go make our coffee. I apologize for this view. I was trying to do it with one hand and record with the other, but here is my cup. And I did this a little like backwards because, you know, I was trying to do a tutorial, but so I do 3 scoops of this, but if you are a little sensitive, I would start with one or two, but I do 3. Little instant, pick your favorite. Then I am going to add like a tiny bit of water, and usually I do it all in the same thing and I don't pour like this. You know, once you do it once, you kind of just know the measurements. So I mix it up really good. So it's kind of like a shot or 2 or 3 of espresso. And then I have some ice, which I pour into my main cup as well. Like I said, when I'm making it every day, I just do it all in one cup. I just here for demonstration purposes. And then I forgot to press the record button, but I poured my whole protein shake in there. My favorite is caramel, but you can pick whatever you like. So I mix it up really good in there. I don't add extra creamer. I don't add extra milk or anything, but you can tweak it however you want. Then this is like the secret sauce. I top it off with cold foam. I so wish they made this in sugar-free, but we only use a little bit, so it's okay. Then we squirt it with a little caramel syrup, and oh my goodness, she is delicious. Plus 30 grams of protein. But if you want to tweak it without the protein shake, you could always use milk or half and half. But look how cute she looks filled up, and then the decals, they just pop. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick, easy recipe and tutorial. So here's the recipe, screenshot it, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this inspired you to make your own iced coffee personal tumbler. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure you click that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.